Hi, welcome to Evolving Mail. I'm at a muffler shop and I'm getting ready to have the muffler taken off. I'm going to keep the resonator on, but I'm going to take the muffler off and see if I like it. If I don't like it, I'll probably buy a muffler and put a muffler on, something a little fancy, but I figure why not try just a muffler delete. So we're about to find out. I'm not there right now. There she goes. She's going in for a muffler delete. That's right there. This is going to be exciting. Alright, so I'm in the Jeep. Can't really hear it. I actually thought it was going to be a little louder than that. I only took the muffler off. I didn't take the burst resonator, I guess, off. I don't know. We'll see. If this light ever changes, we're going to go ahead and take off. Maybe you can hear it. Here we go. Really can't hear it. Okay, so there is the, I don't know what that is, like a pre-muffler, I guess. It's a resonator or a pre-muffler or something. And there is where the muffler was, and that's the pipe you put in. And in the very back by the tip, the resonator's still there. So you can see... you can see everything's still there. The muffler's welded in. So had that done in the local shop. It only cost me, guy charged me 45 bucks to cut the muffler off, put the pipe in there, and weld it on. He did it pretty quick. I didn't see him bending anything, but I guess, I don't know. Anyway, he did it, and I'm pretty happy with it. And it sounds pretty good. You know, I have to get used to it for a while. I think it's pretty good. I heard some stuff online, and it all sounded really not better. I watched a YouTube video by somebody, I don't remember who it was, and he had like a Borla S, he had a Flowmaster 10, a Flowmaster 40, and I think something else. Then he ran it with like this. He ran it with nothing, no resonator or nothing, and I thought that wasn't good. But really, this had the most sound. And a friend of mine that has some really fast cars, thought it sounded the best too. It's never going to sound like a you know, a Hemi, unless there's a Hemi in it. There is a Challenger sitting right next to me, and she sounds good. But this is never going to sound like that without that engine. But I think it sounds pretty good. For now, it's going to work. I've got a cold air induction thing, whatever it's called, coming by AFE. That should be here next week. I'm going to put that on. That should maybe increase some of the sound. Maybe give me some more. It's supposed to give me like 12 horsepower or 21 horsepower or 18 horsepower or whatever. So I figure it's probably going to give me maybe 10, maybe. Probably won't really feel it. But there's a chip in the future, and that's supposed to give me 30. So we'll see. Every little bit adds up. Just doing stuff because it's fun. And anyway, thanks for checking me out. As always, please hit like, hit subscribe, and come back for more on these continuing adventures of evolving mail. See y'all later. I gotta go off the ground. See you guys. Bye.